welcome back. Hopefully you're having a good day. If you're not, maybe this will cheer you up. And if you have a trampoline, or you just go to a trampoline park a lot, or you have a friend that has a trampoline, then this is the video for you. 3 trampoline tricks that anybody can learn, and maybe I'll throw in a bonus trick. So to start off, one of the simplest tricks is a backdrop. You just go like this, then on your back. But it's not that simple. So there are a couple different ways. The way that I do is where I hit my head and my back. But some people like to do it where they only hit the lower back and not their head. That is a little bit sketchier. But so what you do not want to do is you don't want to not commit and then go like this and then go and then hit your head, because that will hurt and give you a headache. Trust me, I know from experience. So you want to try to hit your back and your head at the same time. And also, if you don't have like that strong of a neck, don't do the one where you only land on your back, because you have to keep your neck stiff. And if it's not, then your neck will go back and hit like that. So yeah, so to start off, because sometimes it's a little scary. I used to not be able to do this and I was scared. So just start off like this, like on your feet, bent down, and just go like that. And once you get better at that, you can move up a little bit, just standing up and falling back. And then you can do a small hop into it. And then you can go higher and higher. And yeah, so that's how you do a backdrop. Next trick is called a pull over. So first you have to get comfortable with the backdrop if you want to do this trick. But a pull over is a backdrop to backflip your feet. So first what you want to do is do a backdrop. Okay, so basically what you want to do is put your hands up and then bring your knees to your hands. Like, don't bring your hands down, bring your knees to your hands, and that'll get you around like this. And that's a really simple trick that you can do. Sorry, there's a helicopter. So sorry about the noise, but yeah, that's how you do it. So just backdrop, knees to your hands, and tuck. Get around. Once you get better, you can do stuff like this, make it look like you're walking. That one's pretty hard. And this one I like to call the Spider-Man pull over. Go like this, that's how you pull yourself over. So that's how you do a pull over. Number 3, I'm going to teach you the basics of a front flip. So basically, what you want to do, put your arms over your head, and then when you get like to the top of your height, like right as you stop going up, you want to throw your arms down to your knees and tuck. And then once you get about like level, once you see the sky, make sure not to close your eyes. Once you see the sky, untuck, because it's easy to over rotate. And yeah, so like this. Yeah, so that's really simple. If you want to do a fast rotation, and if you want to try it on flat ground, what you do is start with your arms down, jump up like that, throw your arms up, and then go throw them, and then tuck under and under tuck. So it's like this. So that's how you do it flat. And so the bonus thing is a recovery. If you're doing a flip and you stop in midair and you're about to land on your head, which has happened to me, you want to first tuck your head, and then if you can, turn to your side so you land like that. And if you can't do that, then put your arms out, but don't just go like that, because you can break your arms. You want to lower the impact. If you do parkour, like a roll like that, you just don't jump in. You bring your arms in like this to absorb the impact, and then you land like that. So it's like that. So that's how you do recovery. If you're doing a backflip and that happens, you just try to turn. So then if you're coming, I'll do a pull over. If you're going like this, you want to go and then just turn out of the way like that before you land on your head. And yeah, so that's basically how you do that. And yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And while you're subscribing, hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Click right here if you want to see my last video. Click right here if you want to see the video YouTube recommends to you. And click on my face to subscribe. See you next time.